Today we're heading to one of Croatia's most stunning hidden gems, the adventure capital, Omis. Nestled between Split and Makarska, Omis is a small but breathtaking coastal town, known for its epic landscapes, historic charm, and thrilling adventures. And Danielle and I do love adventures. Our day starts off with an epic 3-hour FERRATA climb to the FERRATA fortress, with help from our guide Ivan. Highly recommend him.
Clip it and then unclip this one. Sometimes I put both if the tower is closed. Then when I unclip this one, I fold it in my hand.
Now let's go back to those stunning drone shots. Having completed the climb, we finally made it to where the fortress is located. We had a quick pit stop, grabbed some cold drinks in the shade, and got chatting with some of the rather cool looking locals. Look at our message in here.
Message?
Yeah. I should feel subscribe to Where's Harris, shouldn't I? Not bad at all. It's nice to have a private drone as well. After seeing the fortress, we were offered some local liquor, which Danielle thought
Sounds suspicious.
A little bit.
A little bit?
And it's not for acting, it's for enjoying.
Okay, what is it? Magic liquor?
Travarica.
I don't know what herbs, but all these herbs are kind of healthy herbs. It is strong drink, but in this rakia, that is the base, they put herbs. You can put all kinds of herbs, but all these are mountain herbs that are all healthy. It's a bit strong drink. You can try if you like.
Don't talk too much. Try. I buy that stuff from one old lady down there.
Yeah.
real local.
Yep.
Local.
Yes.
I do that. Cheers.
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 Well,
Not bad.
Yeah,
I've had worse.
but then, fair enough.
made it.
Did we? We have to make it back down.
Oh yeah. We'll just cut to that now. The route down wasn't so bad. It was quite nice to be out of the sun and the heat, which makes one special girl, Danielle, very happy. We had a great chat with Ivan about his life in Croatia and how the economy's affected his lifestyle, and we shared some of our own experiences. This is the benefit of travel, meeting people from different worlds. After a great recommendation from Ivan, we went and grabbed ourselves a quick lunch before heading off to our next destination, the Makarska Riviera. We immediately checked into our Airbnb. I checked out what my helmet hair looked like, had a quick shower, and jumped out to explore the local area. And shocker, I got another ice cream. I'll admit, it wasn't as good as the one I got in Hvar, and one of us may have got a little hangry. Eat it however you want.
I figure if they have it pre-sliced, that means I'm allowed to pick it up.
Yeah.
That should be the rule. If it comes
And yes, Daniel is 100% right. She's always 100% right, and no, she did not tell me to say that, so stop asking me. Now cut to us kayaking on the Makarska Riviera. Now, although we look like we're having a great time, the original route was to go to about 5 different caves and make our way back. Unfortunately, we didn't actually make it to any of them, mainly because we're so tired from all the hiking before. This kayaking is really hard. Oh, gotta try and go for a swim and cool down. Fortunately, Ben, our guide, knew a nice beach for us to stop at and brought some delicious watermelon with him. We spent the rest of the evening just chatting away. Benjamin's from South America, and he was telling us about his plans in Croatia.
Oh, why? I don't know what. Same thing with the chickens. Same thing with the pigs. Same with
Some
the.
documentaries on it is so
With the fat.
That brings us to the end of a very active day. So while Danielle's in the shower, I thought I'd give you a quick room tour. So we have the kitchen and the living room. To be fair, I'm not surprised. It's actually a really good room, a really good apartment. Nice comfy bed. Great kitchen, which we will not be using because we're only here for one night. Shower. And I quite like this nice little cabinet. It's a Hoover ironing board, seats, books. It's really put the extra effort in. Some snorkeling gear. Just come back from kayaking. My room is... ta-da! The only downside is I've got the bedroom that doesn't have the aircon. So I'm trying to be a nice guy and gave her the one with the aircon. She'll really appreciate it. And that's the main bedroom with the frickin' aircon. Yeah, this is definitely a very good Airbnb. I highly recommend it. Just trying to get the Euros on. And as you can see, I had no success.